Today we will see how to use this new function to create visibility condition between fields in the same step. Remember, everything we're about to see is only available on PC, as the web app on smartphones and tablets has reduced the functionalities. Let's go on the menu on the top left corner. Forms. Click to create a new one. Choose a title like Hidden Field and create form. Click to create a new revision. Now we will see how to show a particular field to an operator on his smartphone only if a condition is observed. Let's suppose that in a form we just want to know what happened if a specific action was performed. Add a checkbox field called Further Operation Needed and a text field called Notes on the Operation. Let's see now how to tell our operators that to complete the notes on the operation, Further Operation Needed needs to be ticked. Click on checkbox. Advanced. Reload the step when it changes value. Go back on the text field and under Visible Condition select Formula. Gear icon. Add variable. Click on Further Operation Needed and then checked on its right. Save. This is all you need to do to create visibility conditions between fields. Remember that the field that will appear only according to certain conditions can't be recalculated, so you can't tick Reload the step, or it would give an error message while filling in the form. Let's see now how the form appears on smartphone once saved and sent to app. We can see the Further Operation Needed field. If we tick it, we can see the Notes on the Operation field. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com or leave a comment.